Okay, I never thought I'd say this, but the world's first chess robot just landed on my desk. Not an app, not a fancy chessboard, but an actual robot arm that moves pieces across the board and plays stronger than 99% of humans. Forget tapping screens or waiting for opponents online. This thing is alive and it fights back. Welcome to the future of chess. This is SenseRobot. Let's start with the unboxing, because I know you're curious about what's inside. Right out of the box, the build feels premium. The board isn't flimsy plastic. It's got a solid matte finish that looks clean and modern. The chess pieces actually have weight to them, so it doesn't feel like a toy. And here's the star of the show, this sleek robotic arm with millimeter precision. Watching it glide across the board feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. No noise, no clunky moves. It's smooth, calculated, almost intimidating. Setup? Surprisingly simple. You connect it once with Wi-Fi through the SenseRobot app, and after that, no phone needed. You just play directly on the board. No distractions, just you and the robot. The first game I played, I was stuck just staring at it move pieces. It feels like a human opponent sitting across from you, except this human has an ELO range from 200 to 2,900, and there's even an Apex mode at 3,200, which is pure nightmare fuel. But here's the cool part. It's not just about crushing you. SenseRobot actually teaches you. It comes with 25 structured lessons, 14 for complete beginners, 11 for early learners. So if you don't even know how a knight moves, this thing will walk you through the basics step by step, and then it keeps pushing you forward. Over 1,200 exercises, 145 endgame scenarios, and even 100 classic games preloaded so you can replay history and learn from grandmasters. The built-in voice assistant doesn't lecture you. It guides you, explains moves in real time, or even narrates old legendary games while the pieces replay themselves. Now, here's where it gets wild. SenseRobot connects with Lichess.org. You log in, start a match, and the robot physically mirrors every move from your online opponent. Imagine playing against someone across the world, but instead of staring at a screen, you're looking at a real chessboard that's alive in front of you. It's like bringing online chess back into the real world. And misreads? Honestly rare. The camera system tracks everything with precision. What I love most is the way it teaches. When you make a bad move, it doesn't scold you. It just keeps playing until you realize where you went wrong. It feels like a patient coach. Over time, it highlights your weak spots without pressure. It's the kind of opponent that doesn't just try to win, it tries to make you better. And for families, it's not only chess, you also get drafts, checkers, with 500 endgame exercises built in. That means kids, parents, even grandparents can jump in. And this is where the robot becomes more than just tech. One user shared a story that floored me. His grandfather, who loved chess, passed away, but before that, they had played games on SenseRobot. Later, the grandson replayed those exact games, move by move, with the robot, as if he was sitting with his grandfather one more time. That's when it hit me. This isn't just a gadget. It's a bridge between people, memories, and generations. That's powerful. So after a week of testing, here's the verdict. SenseRobot isn't just a flashy gimmick. It's a physical chess coach, a rival, a memory keeper, and honestly, one of the coolest blends of tradition and tech I've seen in years. It's not for casual dabblers who just want to click a few moves on their phone. But if you love chess, if you want to train, play, and actually feel the game, it's unbeatable. Links are in the description if you want to check it out. And hey, if you end up buying one, just don't blame me when the robot starts beating you in under 10 moves. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe Technology X AI for more insane tech like this, and let me know in the comments, would you actually want a robot chess partner in your home? Or is this just too much? Either way, the future of chess has arrived, and it's moving piece by piece.